how pretty this is. Whoa. I got this as a birthday gift and I decided I would at least film me doing my eyes because I want to use this. So I figured I should film and show you guys how it is. And it's so much prettier in person. I don't know if camera's picking up all this glimmer, glitter, and shimmer. Ooh, so sultry. But I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I definitely wanna use pearl and then smoke it out a little with some of these shades. So let's test it out, shall we? Better zoom in because I'm in the middle of getting ready, so that's why I'm in my robe. And I just wanted to use this new eyeshadow palette. So I figured I better be showing you guys this as well. I think priming your eyes can make a big difference in how your eyeshadow wears throughout the day because it can prevent creasing in the crease, which I'm very prone to. Start out with this fresh color. I was like setting my eyeshadow primer with just a bone colored shadow. It sets the wetness and helps following shades glide on more smoothly. So far we're off to a good start. Then I'm gonna go in with this twig color. It's a grayish brown. I'm gonna start carving out my crease. So far it seems very pigmented. It definitely doesn't seem as messy as the Subculture or the Mario palette. That one's really messy. Then we're gonna warm it up a bit. I'm gonna tap into Birch, which is a warmer caramel color. Then we're gonna go in with Dystopian. This beautiful dark brown, chocolate brown. And this is going to define the eyes, definitely draw you in, add some dimension and some sexiness. So very pigmented. This is what, you know, stays true to all the other Anastasia palettes. You get what you pay for. You pay a lot, so you get a lot. And then you can always go in with gray to kind of tone it down, smoke it down a little, and they'll tone down that dark brown color if you want to make it more cool toned. And I always go in tiny little circular and backward circular motions. I find that that blends it out more and helps it smoke out more. See, little circles, smokes it out more. Okay, now I really want to try out these glitters, and we're gonna try out a couple different ways. So take your flat brush, and first I'm just gonna dip into it dry and see how that applies. Whoa. Let me zoom in. So I tap off the excess just so a lot won't fall on my face, but look how pretty this is dry. You can put a little of this in the inner corner, kind of widen your eyes a bit. I think that's a good trick to help your eyes look a little wider. You can pat it or you can swipe it. And I always like to pat just to prevent fallout. Okay, so that was the pearl color, which was beautiful. I'm gonna try a couple of these and just kind of mix all the different glitters. So now I'm going into Cinder, which is more of a taupey shimmer. And then let's try Rose Quartz. Oh, These are just beautiful. Betsy, if you're watching, thank you for the best birthday gift ever. Because I've had my eye on this. I'm gonna go back into pearl because I don't want it too rose goldy. Okay, so that's just these shadows dry. Now I'm going to wet my brush and see how they apply. So I'm gonna spray just the Smashbox primer water. You can spray any makeup setting spray you have and get the brush wet, and then I'm gonna dip it in. I'm gonna dip it into the pearl color, and that's really gonna help pack it on and intensify. Yeah, it helps it be a little more metallic. How pretty. Ooh, let's try Cyborg. That might be their pressed glitter. This is gonna be fabulous. Now I'm gonna carve out this again and just hug the glitter colors. We're also trying to take our family Christmas photos today, so that's why I need to be a little festive for the holidays. It's just a beautiful day for family photos. Okay, so this is with the brush, wet brush, but now I'm curious how it is with the finger. Feels very soft, by the way, when you pick it up. It's not scratchy like most glitters can be. Okay, that definitely worked the best, just using your finger, because the warmth from your finger, you know, that might be how they intended for these to apply, but like, look how pigmented, just carefully rubbing your finger in there. Look how pigmented that swatch is. And then I'll show you compared to my brush. Oh, all right, well, I feel like the brush definitely looks better than the finger, so never mind. But again, I sprayed my brush, and that really helps metallicize it and just helps it look, pack on more and be more pigmented. So you can just keep applying on and packing as much as you want, just to your desired color. But I think this is good. Now I want to do a little wing. This so far has the best glitter shades, and I think this is the best for the holiday time. So I think this would make such a cute gift. If you know anyone that's like really into makeup, I really don't think they would be mad at that one. You know what, I never used these brushes, but this actually looks like the best one I've seen to come with a palette. Props. All right, so I'm just gonna smudge a little of this L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me black eyeliner and then smudge it out with a smudge brush. You could use angled eyeliner. I'm just gonna use angled eyeliner to smudge it out and create an eyeliner or a wing with the eyeliner, because I want this to look really smoky. So this is very pigmented, and I'm gonna dip my angled eyeliner brush back into here, into the black. You can even tap it in the gray if you want it lighter, and then pull your eye a little, and then you can blend this out and it will smoke it out, so it's just not so harsh. And then you can create the wing. I like to follow, like if there were an invisible line going up to your eyebrow, that can help you get a great wing angle. You can even get your liquid eyeliner pen to create that wing, and then smoke it out with your brush to soften it so it's not so liquidy and dramatic. Because this is daytime, Thanksgiving with the family, I don't want it too intense and too dark. So I think by smoking it out, it's very nice. All right, hopefully those are even. They're usually uneven. What can you do? Then curl your lashes and apply a little mascara. Okay, I need to get them. Top with a little gloss. All right, and that's it. Just need to do my hair and get dressed now. Okay, what do you guys think? Stunning. So easy, so simple. I know none of us need another palette. I sure as heck don't, but this could make a beautiful gift. If you like Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, you're gonna like this one. It has a lot of great shimmers and just the perfect amount of colors to define the crease and the eye, the perfect amount of mattes, and it even has your gray tones. It literally has everything. So very pleased. I like the silver and gray look that I did. Let me know what you think, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You just got finished with the makeup video?
Yeah, I did.